Most people think they are stressed because of their circumstances, a demanding boss, a slow business, and maybe a difficult partner or a relationship. But what if none of that was actually the cause? What if the real problem is your thought about those things? Now let's talk about single biggest trap smart people fall into, and that's the one that quietly controls emotion, decision, and outcomes in your life. Here is the truth. Your thoughts are not facts. They are electrical impulses, and 95% of them are the same ones you had yesterday and the day before yesterday and even last year. Now, according to research from National Science Foundation, about 80% of daily thoughts are negative. That means most people live in a mental rerun of anxiety, doubt, and judgment and call it reality. So let's break that loop. The moment you believe a thought, your body reacts as if it's true. You are saying to yourself, I'm not ready, they'll judge me, I always mess up. And that one sentence floods your system with stress hormones. Your body tenses, you hesitate, and then your inaction proves thoughts right. That's the trap. To escape it, use the thought reframe protocol. It has 3 simple steps. Step 1, catch that thought as it arises. Pause when you feel off and ask, what am I thinking right now? And name it clearly. And that's creating awareness. Step 2, question it. Ask, is this absolutely true or is it just a story I'm creating? Byron Katie calls this the work, and neuroscience backs it. Questioning a thought weakens its neural pathway. Step 3, choose a better story. Replace the old story of I'm not ready, I'm not good enough with I am learning as I go. Your brain begins building a new circuit and the new emotion follows. If you never question your thoughts, they become your pattern and your reality. And 1 year from now, you'll still be fighting the same invisible enemy, your own mind. So try this today. Pick one recurring thought that drains you. Write it down and question it, and then replace it with a positive thought. Do it daily for 7 days and you will literally start changing your brain, because freedom starts with awareness. It starts with your thoughts. Now, if this gave you clarity and comfort, please like and subscribe, and please share it with someone who you think definitely needs this. I'll see you in the next video.